Hi there, it's me again, Octagon-Headed Alien. I'm bored today. It's raining outside. I don't really like it when it rains, and I don't have anything to do. Maybe I'll call my friend, Big Gold Head.
Hello?
Hey there, Big Gold Head. What are you doing today?
Oh, hello, Octagon-Headed Alien. I'm not doing anything today. What about you? What are you doing today?
I'm not doing anything either. It's raining outside. I don't really like rain.
Me neither. I don't like rain.
So, I called you because I really didn't know what else to do today. So I thought I'd call and say hi.
Hi.
Well, I guess I don't really know what to talk about. Do you know what we could talk about?
No, I don't know what we could talk about. I'm bored today.
Yeah, I'm bored too. And when you're bored, sometimes it's hard to think of what to do. Even though if I did something, it would mean that I wouldn't be bored anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, Big Gold Head. I guess since you don't know what to talk about, and since I don't know what to talk about, I should probably just say goodbye.
Okay. Well, thanks for calling me.
Bye. Thanks for talking to me, even though we really didn't say anything very much.
Bye, Octagon-Headed Alien.
So, today, I didn't really know what to do because it's raining outside. And since I was bored, I thought I'd call Big Gold Head. And even though Big Gold Head didn't really have anything to talk about, and even though I didn't really have anything to talk about, I'm glad to know that at least I have a friend I can call on the phone to say hello to when I'm bored. Until we meet again, bye-bye.